The only time social media probably has any bearing is if you've got a lot of followers and you are auditioning for some sort of independent project where they don't have funding, where they don't have money, where they can't advertise their film or their film or whatever project they're doing. And so they're going to rely heavily on the actors who have a big social media presence, who have, followers on Instagram, friends on Facebook, that kind of thing. Other than that, if you are auditioning for CSI, Hawaii Five-0, any of the shows out there, any sort of theatrical, formulaic shows, sitcoms, any of that, they don't give a shit if you're on social media or not. That has no bearing as to whether you're going to get the job. They are not going to pick a less talented actor for the role of whatever because they have 10,000 more followers on Instagram than you do. It's complete and utter nonsense. And anyone who tells you that is completely full of crap. Do not listen to them. But here's what you should do. Go to their IMDb page and find out that they've got 19 credits and 11 of them are short films. They don't have experience. They've been doing it 6 or 8 years. They're young. They're not very smart. And they're telling people this and passing themselves off as coaches or teachers. It's maddening. It's maddening because it's simply not true. So if you want to spend your time on social media, if you want to, put yourself out there, put clips of things that you've done, that's fine. Casting directors do look at that sometimes. They're like, oh, that's good. That's, decent, whatever. If they're looking to cast someone, they're looking at the talent based on the content that you post, not the number of followers you have. So if they're looking at you on social media, it's for your talent. It's not for your followers. They're not going to go, we're going to cast this girl because she's got 70,000 followers on Instagram. This girl here has 1,800. She's way better actress, but she's only got 1,800 followers. No, man, that's not how it works. CBS, NBC, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon, they all have their own advertising. They don't need you to help them on Instagram promote their show. Independent films do, student films do, short films do, and that's probably where these, supposed coaches get their information. They don't have a lot of experience, and they are probably have done a bunch of, short films. That's what's filling up their IMDb credits. And when you do that, all the production crew, which consists of 6 people, are all saying, hey, don't forget to get the word out of our little project, which is great. It's fine. You need to do that. Everyone needs to do all that stuff. All that's fine. But don't worry about having friends and followers on social media, on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and Stitch and Snatch and all the other ones. No. I don't even know if the last one's a real one, but I think it is. I may have made it up. Anyway, social media, ridiculous. You don't need it. If you want to, like I said, you want to post videos to showcase your talent, that's great. It's a great platform for that. Casting directors do look at that. They look at that, again, for your talent, not for the followers. So stop that stuff.